You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to add another language to your iPhone keyboard. Open the Settings app and tap on General. Tap on Keyboard. Now tap on Keyboards at the top of the screen. Tap Add New Keyboard. You will see a long list of languages. Scroll or search for the language you want, such as Spanish or French. Tap on the language name. Some languages have multiple keyboard layouts. For example, for Chinese, you can choose pinyin or handwriting. Select your preferred layout. The new keyboard is now added. To switch between keyboards while typing, tap the globe icon on the keyboard. If you don't see the globe, press and hold the emoji icon. To remove a keyboard, go back to Settings, General, Keyboard, Keyboards. Tap Edit in the top right, then tap the red minus sign next to the keyboard you want to remove. You can also reorder keyboards by dragging the three-line handle. Adding a language enables autocorrect and predictions for that language. You can have multiple languages active at once. The keyboard will automatically suggest words based on the language you have selected. This is useful for bilingual typing. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.